Hello friends, I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about another book. This is another book related video, and in this video I will discuss with you all what I learned. Whenever I go through any book, I try to understand and jot down the points what I can learn from this book, what lessons I can apply in my life, what is there to learn for me, and those tips I share with you all in this YouTube channel so that you can all be benefited. And I love this activity very much, and I love to read books and share with you all my feelings and experiences that I learned from reading those books, and the lessons that you all can apply as well as I can apply in my life so that we can have an improvement. The book that I am going to discuss about today is the first book in the Lord of the Rings series by J.R.R. Tolkien. The Lord of the Rings series, book 1, that is the Fellowship of the Ring. This series, the Lord of the Rings trilogy, is one of the most famous trilogy in the fantasy genre ever, and this book I love it very much. I read this book recently. I finished it. I bought it actually 1 or 2 months ago, I think 2 months ago, but I did not get time enough to read this book every day. Whenever I got time, I used to read this book, and I just finished it a few weeks ago. So this book was in my shelf, and my view went there, and I noticed it that why not make a video on this book. This book is a very good book, and you can learn good life lessons from this book as well. This is a masterpiece by J.R.R. Tolkien. I don't have enough words to describe how much good it is. It is an adventure book, and it is also based in the Middle Earth. There is a whole fantasy world, as you can expect from any fantasy book. There is a whole fantasy world that has been created in this book by J.R.R. Tolkien, and it is such a beautiful writing style. The writing style is so damn beautiful. I loved it very much, and I recommend you all to read this book. Now let us move to the important thing that why I am here with this video in front of you all. The reason is that I learned a very good lesson. This book is about, I will not give you any spoilers, I will just say you what the story is about. The trilogy and starts with the first story, that is the Fellowship of the Ring. There is a place where there is a wizard, the Gandalf, a wise wizard. He comes to Frodo. Frodo is a hobbit. There is a world of hobbits, and Frodo is assigned the task. There is a ring which he has to go somewhere to the region of the Dark Lord Sauron, who is an evil, and Frodo has been assigned the job to destroy that ring so that the Dark Lord cannot get hold of the ring and becomes ever powerful. So this is a story about victory of good over evil, and this is an adventure story, how Frodo sets on to the journey, how he meets different people, how he assembles a team, and this team goes on to the journey. There are many obstacles in the journey. Also there are many obstacles, as I said, in the journey also. You will love this book. If you are an adventure fan and you want to read something related to adventure, I definitely recommend you all. So the thing that I learned is that this book teaches you we should have a clear-cut determination. We should have, first of all, a clear-cut goal. What do we want to achieve? That is very much significant in this book. I saw that Frodo had a clear-cut goal, that he has no way other than to go to the area of Dark Lord Sauron and destroy that ring. Otherwise, the whole world will be in problem, as per in this book, the story of this book I am saying. So he overcomes every obstacle. He has to face a lot of obstacles. He faces a lot of obstacles, but still never gives up, and goes on to reach his goal. He carries on his journey along with his teammates. That is the first lesson I learned. We all should have a clear-cut goal. Nowadays, I notice one very significant thing about among especially youngsters, and that thing is we nowadays lack a clear vision of what we want to do in our life. Even in our late 20s, we see many people are just stumbling around and wondering what they can do in their life. But that is not the age. The correct age to determine is right before you enter your college. You should have a clear-cut goal. What you want to achieve in life, what you want to do in your life, how are you going to create an impact in the society, and that is very important. A clear-cut goal, first tip. Second lesson that I learned from this book is that never give up attitude. We should have persistency. Whenever we meet failure, we should always try to learn from that failure, and whenever we meet success, we should never take it for granted and become overconfident. We should always know that life is like a wave. There are ups and downs, big wave and small waves. There will be shallow regions, deeper regions. Likewise, there will be obstacles whenever you chase your goals, because you have to prove to the universe that you are worthy enough of achieving that particular goal. You have to prove that you are worthy enough of achieving that particular goal, and for that, whatever you believe in, God or universe will test you, will give you obstacles, will put you in front of different obstacles and see how you can overcome them. Then only you will have the temperament to achieve that goal, and you will be able to handle that position after you achieve your goal. That is why obstacles are necessary in life, and also you should have a never give up attitude, that whatever obstacle I face, I will never give up. I will have persistent actions towards my goals, and I will achieve them anyway. That is a never give up attitude. And another lesson that I learned from this book is that we should have a ready mindset for everything. We should always be prepared for everything. Means in this video, in this book, what I learned is that Frodo has to meet many obstacles, and in some cases he was not expecting them, and that was a fault of him that we get to know while we read this book. And that is a thing we should always remember in our lives. We should all be prepared for every situation. We should not think that this cannot happen, or suppose we are working towards our goals, we should not expect that obstacles will not come. We should always expect that obstacles will come surely. Sooner or later they will appear in front of us, and we should be prepared for them, and we should have a prepared mindset. Prepared means, I want to say that we should have a prepared mindset that we will overcome them, and we should not think that there will be no obstacles and it will be just a cakewalk to go, it will just be a piece of cake and we will achieve our goals. But that is not the case. We have to overcome our obstacles, and these two important lessons I learned from this book, The Fellowship of the Ring. Also, I enjoyed this book very much, as this is a fiction. I like reading fiction and non-fiction, and I came into the habit of reading books through fiction only. So fiction is one of my favorite types of books. I like to read fiction. So this book is very dear to me. I love this book very much, and I am hoping to read the second and third parts of this series. The second part is the Two Towers, and the third part is the Return of the King. After I finish reading them and get some lessons from them, I will again make another dedicated videos on those two books separately, and come in front of you all with another dedicated videos for those books, so that you can learn good life lessons and implement them in your life and have significant changes in your life. So I definitely recommend you all, please like this video. If you thought that the content is helpful for you all, then you should like this video, and that will give me motivation to make more beautiful content like this in this channel. Also share this video among as many people as possible, so that people can have the opportunity to learn good life lessons, that they can improve to have tremendous self-growth and self-development in their lives. And also, please subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out these beautiful contents. These contents will help you grow in your life, so I definitely recommend you all, please subscribe to the channel. Otherwise you will miss out a lot of self-development and self-help content which you can learn and implement in your life, so that you can have significant improvement in your day-to-day lives. So please subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon, so that you can be notified whenever I upload any new beautiful video like this. So till I upload my next video, stay tuned to the channel, and bye.